It's good with tea. It's good with coffee. So guys, try it. It's the champ.
Try it or you guys can order from Florita.
Hey guys, guess what my sister and I were talking about? What are these? Is this an appetizer, main dish, or dessert? That's right, this is a dessert. Yes, this is a chocolate-orange mini cheesecakes. The first time I made this was way back in 2014 after watching Giada de Laurenti making them on TV. Because it is so delicious, I keep making them when there is a special occasion. Please watch until the end of this video and you will learn how to make these mini cheesecakes with chocolate and orange zest. Hey guys, my name is Forlitz Sky and welcome to my channel, the Forlitz Sky. This channel is about gardening and cooking, and today we're going to take something from my backyard so that I can show you how to make a chocolate-orange mini cheesecake. This recipe is courtesy of Miss Giada de Laurenti herself. And today we have a guest. And of course, not Miss Giada de Laurenti herself, but she is the TikTokers of the family, none other than Buslog Ako in TikTok, Pichi Pipay in Facebook, and Lukbanin in Instagram. My sister, Pichi Pipay.
Hello, this is me. If you want to follow me in TikTok, my name is Buslog Ako. That's
Hey,
it.
sample, TikTok.
No sample today. Just see me in TikTok and that's it.
Okay, let's go to our backyard to get some oranges. Okay, so we're here in our backyard, and as you can see, you're looking at our tree. It's been here already when we bought the property, and it's been giving me an abundance of oranges. So we're going to pick up some oranges. We don't need to pick up so many. We just need zest from our orange. So okay, so let's do it. It's nice. Actually, I don't need the scissors. All we need from these oranges is the zest itself, not the juice, but the zest. There you go, guys.
So these are the newly picked oranges directly from the tree. So it's very fresh. It's a good ingredient for the dessert. Well, we just picked 5 out of how many we have in the tree.
Orange fruit is our pick for today as one of the ingredients from my backyard. Let us show you the rest. Let me introduce to you our ingredients for this dessert. Okay, first, you're gonna have this dark chocolate. It's about a 1/3 cup of dark chocolate. In this recipe, I'm using the Girardelli Intense Dark 60%. Orange, we're gonna zest it later. 2 ounces of cream cheese and 1/4 cup of ricotta cheese. 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of butter, and another butter that we're gonna melt it so that we can grease the baking tray. So let's get started. We have blender here. Okay, we're gonna process this dark chocolate in this grinder. Okay, let's do it. Crack and remove the chocolate from the wrapper. Put them in a food processor to grind. Make sure the chocolate is processed enough and has consistent pieces like so. Very good. Transfer in a glass container, melt the butter in the microwave, and prepare to mix them together. Dark chocolate, and we have this 2 tablespoons of butter. So we're gonna mix them together like this. So we're gonna grease this so we can put that in here. So what we need to do, put in each one about 1/4 of each of this cup. It's 12, right? Okay, divide that into 12.
That's what you call estimation.
Divide the chocolate for 12. Place each portion in each of these cupcake trays and push the chocolate gently onto the bottom.
Hi, camera.
After you put everything, then you have to push the chocolate onto the bottom. Okay, now we're done.
Okay.
What we're going to do next is we're going to prepare the mixture of our cheesecake and pour on top of this and bake it for 350 degrees. My oven is on and it's now preheating to 350 degrees. In the same container, we're gonna mix the mixture of cheesecake, 2 ounces of cream cheese, a 1/4 cup of ricotta cheese. Let's test the orange. Smells so good, right? We only need 1 of this orange and then later another orange for the toppings. It's good enough already. Put the egg here. Okay, now we're ready to puree. This is what it looks like. A 1/4 cup of sugar. Now we're ready to pour this mixture. The measurement of these ingredients in this one batch is good enough in 12 mini cupcakes tray. That is why I like this recipe. The formula is measured well to balance everything. So for you guys who want to try this recipe, measuring ingredients is significant to the success of the finished product. Prepare your container. It's in our baking container. What I need to do now is put water in it. Let me get the hot water. Hot water. As you can see, it's already melting. I think I'm gonna need tea instead of coffee.
I don't drink tea.
Yours coffee, mine is tea. We are going to put this in our oven, which already preheating for 350 degrees. And we're gonna put it there for 30 minutes. Then load to the oven. You can use any kind of oven you have. I'm using our portable convection oven. It is easy to control and because I am only baking one batch. For some that have no oven, you may want to try steaming instead. Set up to 350 degrees and bake for 25 to 30 minutes. We're gonna make our toppings and this is the secret of Giada. And it's so good, very simple but it is so delicious. Let me show you.
So it's not a secret anymore, right?
Not a secret anymore because I copied it. Orange. I'm gonna zest this and sugar. That's it. You're gonna put the sugar later when you're ready to eat it. Make sure that you wash your oranges before you zest it. Put some sugar. It depends on how you prepare. Then let's mix it. While we're waiting for our cheesecake to cook, let's put this in the fridge for now. Here's our chocolate-orange mini cheesecake. Let it cool for about 30 minutes and put it in the fridge for 15 minutes and we're ready to taste it. Remove the mini cheesecakes from the mini muffin tin tray using a small knife like so. Then sprinkle them with special sugary toppings, a combination of orange zest and sugar. When they're done, you have the perfect cheesecakes just right for one person. But if I can't control myself, I can finish 4 of this in one sitting. This is a perfect dessert and good with coffee or tea, so let's make some coffee.
I'm ready to make coffee for myself because Florita wants tea. So this is coffee for me. I need to pour water in here. Make sure there's enough water for my coffee. So make sure when you make a coffee and you need to pour water in your coffee maker, make sure you use a bottled water, not from the faucet. I will use K-cups. Then I need to pour it down like this. Get the cup from the shelf. And that's it.
Good. And let's get ready for our tasting session. Okay guys, so we're ready to taste it. Ready to mom. So, and here's for you, Miss TikTokers. And here's your coffee that you made. We're ready to taste, and I'm gonna see what you think. It's good. Is it melting? What is it? Good. It's not really that sweet, right?
Because of the orange zest on top.
Yeah.
It makes it different.
It's good with tea. It's good with coffee. So guys, try it. It's the champ.
Try it, or you guys can order from Florida.
It's so good. Can you do that? I'm having a matcha green tea. It is so perfect with chocolate-orange mini cheesecake, courtesy of Miss Giada de la Renti. It's good. And that's it for today, guys. Be safe, be strong, and be positive. Thanks for watching, and thanks for joining me today, my sister Pichi Pipay.
You're welcome. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe.
Thank you. That's right. How come I didn't say that throughout the video? Yes, please don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification bell below and smash the like button. You're gonna learn a lot of stuff from my backyard to my kitchen. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.